Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties. Hello. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your local internet auntie, Auntie Ren, here again with another video. If you are a new niece, nephew or fellow auntie, welcome. Settle in, get a little tea, get a coffee, get your wine, get whatever it is that you need to get to just get you through this video. And if you are returning, welcome back, darlings. How are you? I've been away for a little bit, yes, I know, and I won't make any excuses. You know, it's just, you know, been busy, okay? And if you can see, I've been trying to literally with my daughter work on getting it out of the shot, but I've got like massive amounts of packages and boxes because I've been shopping my feelings. You know how we do here, we shop our feelings. So I've been shopping my feelings and I've been feeling a lot apparently. So I have a lot of unboxings and things to share with you guys coming up in the next coming videos. But yeah, it's been busy, I've been busy, and when I'm going like crazy and doing things, I feel like I need to reward myself for just being able to get through the things. Comment down below if you are rewarding yourself for just, you know, for just being here, for making it through the day. I applaud you. Yeah, so, and I end up getting the bits. So I could not wait because I had to get on here super quick and be able to unbox this and open it up. This is something that is on my wish list video to come, I promise. But you know, I keep buying things because, you know, the price increases are kind of making me upset with my life, and I feel like they're targeted against me and I have to get items before they go up anymore. So with all the price increases, I keep buying things and then that keeps altering my wish list. So but I will be putting up a wish list soon, my 2021 wish list. I think well, no, I don't know. I've been going back and forth with it, and I don't know if I'm going to put just Louis Vuitton or if I was going to include all other fashion houses that I have things that I want to get, but we'll see. I don't know. Once I record it, then we'll see how it goes. It might be collective wish list, or it might be just like, it might just be Louis Vuitton. I don't know. But I've been on a Louis Vuitton kick, like right now, anyway, the last couple of days, and just picking up things because of that recent price increase. I can't believe they did another price increase, literally like a month after the first one, or like a couple weeks after. Like, that's just, yeah, I digress. Okay, but let's move on. So, unboxing, true unboxing, guys. Oh, wait, let me see if I can get it over here. All right, without showing you all my address and everything. There's no address. This is massive. Hear me. Oh my God, I'm so excited. I literally could not wait to get on camera to open this up with you guys so I could see it, because I have not opened this box yet. OMG. So I'm so excited. I wanted it to be a really true unboxing, and I could not wait. So we are going to do this together. Comment down below if you have a guess of what you think this is. I would be so interested to see what you think this is. But yeah, comment down below if you guess. But here we go. Okay fam, so this is future me after looking back on the video and watching what was going on with my dress. So just wanted to come in here and pop in a disclaimer real quick. For some strange reason, the entire video, my dress decided to like just try to just slowly creep up and eat my head. So I'm not really sure what it was doing and why it was doing that, and I could have refilmed it, but if I would have refilmed it, then it wouldn't have been an authentic, like real true unboxing anymore. It would have been a little bit like, oh yeah, that was great, can you do that one more time? Like, no, that's too reality showish for me. So I didn't so I didn't refilm it and I left it. But I just wanted to let you know that I'm aware the dress is just doing what it does. Let's look at it as fashion. Maybe it just wanted to be something else. It didn't want to be a dress, it wanted to be a hood. I don't know. We're not going to judge. No judgments here. But anyways, so just wanted to pop in real quick and say sorry. I don't know what was going on with the dress. It just started to do its own thing. And yeah, that's it. Back to your regularly scheduled program. Okay. Wait, okay. Oh my God, it's got the thing. You know, I like the thing. The thing, you know, the thing. It has the thing. Let's see if I can get this in there. Oh. The little pleasures in life, guys. These are the little pleasures. Okay, so here we go. Oh. Come on, you know where this is from. Been on a bit of a Louis Vuitton kick, so you know where this is from. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It's huge. Oh, guys, they wrapped it. Oh, it's about time. Can I please get some applause for Louis Vuitton, the struggle bus? Oh my gosh, the struggle bus. We have finally gotten off of the struggle bus. Louis Vuitton has sent me. Can you guys see it? They finally sent a box with a ribbon tied to it. Hallelujah. Guys, unbelievable. Finally. I mean, what did it take for them to finally send me a box that was wrapped properly? So excited. So here is the envelope. We'll go over that later. There's nothing in it. It's just the, you know, the normal stuff that goes into that thing. Oh, the struggle. Oh my God, the struggle right now. Okay, so I might fast forward this because no one needs to see this kind of struggle. All right. Oh, thumbnail. Thumbnail. Okay. OMG. Actually, wow, I do need a thumbnail. I do need a thumbnail. They actually wrapped it properly. I'm so proud of them. We've come a long way, Louis Vuitton. We've come a long way from our first unboxing. Congratulations. Very proud of you. All right. So inside the envelope, as I mentioned, nothing really like super exciting. It's going to be, I didn't even write a note to myself this go round. So it's literally just exchanges and returns. It's thank you for shopping Louis Vuitton. We love taking your money. It's the return shipping label, and it is the actual like the item receipt, which it doesn't even give you an amount. It just tells you like the form of payment. It says you my name and the name of the item, and I'm so excited. This has been on my wish list for a little bit. This is definitely, I knew I wanted to get this year. That time frame was accelerated a bit with all of the different price increases that keep happening, but yeah, so excited. Nothing in this card. So if this is the first time you're seeing an unboxing, when they send you these little cards here, there's nothing in them. This is for, you know, the customer, if you want to re-gift this, like if you want to actually gift this to someone, and you can fill out the card, but they don't normally write anything in here to you unless you have a great SA and that's how they live in life. Then that's fantastic. So unknotting it. Oh, so proud of you guys, so proud. Magnetic box. Make sure you comment down below if you guessed. So we're opening. We have a drawstring dust bag. They are giving me all of the bits. See, someone talked to Louis Vuitton and said, listen, the next time you send Auntie Ren something, you better do it properly, because she's talking about you bad on these streets. Because let me tell you, they have sent me all the bits. The only thing that's missing, honestly, if they would have sent me samples, what? It would have been fire if they would have sent me samples, but they didn't. But if they would have sent samples, I would have like been, oh my gosh, like Louis Vuitton, yeah, you would have made up for a lot of bad unboxings. Not bad, but like, you know, some lackluster unboxings would have been you know, redeemed if I would have gotten samples, but I didn't get any. Okay, so I got a drawstring dust bag. I'm taking a minute to take it in. Taking a minute to take it in, guys, because I'm so excited by this. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I hope it's all that I wanted it to be. Oh my God. Wait, did you see? Did you see? Did you get a peek? Wait, I gotta do it proper. I gotta do it proper. Wait. Oh, guys. guys, shut the front door. Oh my God. Guys, nieces, aunties, oh my God, fire. Oh my God. Okay, so guys, I'm sorry, I'm checking it out. You know, I'm checking it out just like you guys, because this is the first time I'm seeing this. So this is the on the go in the GM size. You know, Auntie Ren is a big girl. She likes the big bags. So this is the GM size. OMG, I am obsessed. It's in the monogram print. Oh my gosh, it has the black straps. So they have moved on to the black straps, right? Oh my God, I didn't think I was going to like the black straps, to be honest with you. I thought that I wanted it, and one of the reasons why I hesitated to buy it is because I wanted to get or I thought I wanted the monogram straps, but I like the black. I do. I think it looks really nice. I think it looks really modern and sophisticated. I'm checking it out like you guys, you know, so I'm looking for flaws and all. What's that? What's that? Okay, no, it's gone. It's gone. Okay, don't panic. It's gone. And it's got the red interior. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh, it's got stickers on the hardware. The hardware still has like plastic wrapping on the zipper pocket inside. It's got one zipper pocket inside, and then two little slip pockets, which have the, here we go, oops, oh, okay, which has the fabric card, like the textile card, and it has the on the go GM monogram reverse, and it has the ID code, which is M45320. It's a made in USA piece. It's okay, they gave us a dust bag, they tied the box, we'll live with it, we're all right with that, we're okay. I don't know where the date code is. It's in here somewhere, I'm sure, probably in one of these little like seams. The seams are super tight, super duper tight, so it's probably in there, or nope, it's inside the zipper pocket, which I know I can't get to that now. But it's inside the zipper pocket, so I will put the date code somewhere on the screen so you guys can see what the date code is and when was it made. Guys, I'm checking it out the same way, you know, you guys are seeing this for the first time. I'm seeing it the first time. It is the reverse monogram. So it's got like this blown out monogram on this side, and it's got this kind of the reverse blown out monogram on this side. It's got the smaller monogram on this side in the reverse, and it's got the traditional monogram on this side. Oh my gosh, this is so, it looks so good. Guys, I actually thought it was going to be bigger. The way everyone talks about how it's so big, oh my gosh, it's such a big bag and da-da-da. I actually thought it was going to be bigger, but it suits me just perfectly fine. And just for like size reference, guys, I am 5'7.5". I am a size 16-18 women's US size, and I weigh approximately 250 pounds. So I'll do some mod shots so you guys can see what it looks like on a person of my stature and my frame. But this is like right up my alley. I would not get this bag right now, for me anyway, in the MM size. I'm so glad that I started in the GM. I would look into it. I wouldn't write off the MM, not at all. I could see myself maybe doing an MM in maybe one of the other colors, or in the like the all leather for sure. This is canvas, so if this is the first time you're seeing you know, a bag like this is all canvas, but the detailing, guys, looks so beautiful. It's got like these little wrapped edges that look so nice. Every single piece of hardware except for these like squared rings says Louis Vuitton all over them. I'm just checking it out. My husband calls this the camouflage bag because it looks like it's changing. It looks like you every time he sees it, it looks like a different bag. He's like, oh, you like that one, the other one, the one with the, no, the one that looks like that but it's not like that. I'm like, you mean this one? He's like, yeah, but it looked like something else. I'm like, you mean like this? So he's always like, yeah, okay, the camouflage bag. So yes, this is the camouflage bag. We absolutely love it. It's constantly changing. Or like a chameleon bag. I love it. Oh my God, this is so... Oh my gosh, I am so stoked to have this in my collection. Guys, it looks great. It looks great. I'm looking for, so what am I looking for when I'm looking at this bag and examining it? I'm looking for like stitching issues. I'm looking for glazing issues. I'm looking for any dents. A friend of mine got hers in the empreinte and it always had a little bit of a dent to the frame. And as time has gone on, it has, the bag has softened and the dent has unfortunately increased. And it's become like, you know, like a really big crease, a big dip in her bag. And she's never been like quite happy about it. And she's like, man, if I would have, you know, paid attention, I should have taken it back when I first got it and got that addressed. So I'm looking for dents or any misshape. I'm looking at the hardware. I'm looking to see if this is like, was a return item, you know, if everything is intact. Like I said, looking at the glazing, looking at the stitching, making sure the stitching is tight and neat and everything looks symmetrical and it looks fantastic. You know, we have to smell it. Doesn't smell like anything, actually. Doesn't smell like anything. Doesn't smell, well, maybe because there's not really any leather on this bag. So the only leather is actually probably the strap. But other than that, there's really no leather on this bag. So there's no, it really doesn't smell like anything, actually. So it has no odor, no smell. It's completely like odorless. Oh my gosh, but it looks so sick. It looks so stinking good. Oh my God. All right, guys, so just a quick like, hello, how are you? Welcome. This is welcome the new baby to the family, the on the go GM. Oh my God, guys. Oh my God, this is so sick. What am I going to do with this bag? Oh my God, I don't go anywhere. Like, where am I going? What am I doing? But I just had to have it. I love it. I was completely influenced, completely loved it, completely seeing it everywhere, and just like, I knew it would be in my collection eventually. And yeah, with everything that's going on with price increases and so on, it's just like, yeah, pull the trigger, just get it. You know you want it, so just get it. So I can see this quickly becoming a forever piece for me. Hopefully I can get the wish list video out relatively shortly, and then I can go through all of those boxes over there, which is like a lot. That's going to be like more like a collective thing, because I've been, like I said, shopping my feelings. I've been shopping my feelings, so I've got quite a bit of things. And then the weather is going to change eventually, so looking at some spring bits as well. So anyway, all right, so that's it. I'm done. Nieces, nephews, fellow aunties, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification, all of that, so I know that you like this content. You know, make sure you come back, tell a friend. Guys, we're so close to 1,000 subscribers. It's like, oh my God, it's so close. We are so close. And you know what happens when we get close, right? I'm not even gonna say anything. If you've been around here for a while, you know what's up. You know what's up. What happens when we get close to that 1,000K? You know. So get your friends, get everybody, you know, to subscribe, so we can, you know, we can pop off the way we're supposed to. Okay, all right, awesome. Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by and saying hi. I'll see you in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye.